In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and save a financial report using a few simple steps. This skill is invaluable for anyone looking to tailor financial statements to fit specific analytical needs or presentation preferences. So whether you're a seasoned accountant or a business owner, this guide is for you. Let's start by opening up the report you want to customize. We're going to navigate to the Reports section, where you'll find a list of available reports. For this demonstration, let's use the income statement. This is where you'll see an overview of your financial performance, but feel free to choose another report if that suits your needs better. Once you've opened your selected report, your next step will be to open the Options menu. You'll find the Options button conveniently located on the toolbar, just a click away. Think of this as your customization hub, the place where you'll make all the necessary adjustments to tailor the report to your liking. Now that you've accessed the Options menu, it's time to get creative and make this report work for you. Starting with the General tab, you have the opportunity to modify the report name or title, making it more relevant for your audience or purpose. Additionally, ensure your time frame for analysis is precise by setting your desired start and end dates. This ensures the report reflects the exact period you're interested in. Next, switch over to the Accounts tab. Here, you have control over which accounts you want displayed in your report. This is key for narrowing down the information to only what's relevant, making your report not only more concise but also more impactful. Your journey through customization continues with the Display tab. This is where you can fine-tune how the data is presented. You might want to adjust the subtotals or perhaps configure the display to show an account tree, offering a more hierarchical view of your data. These settings allow you to highlight the most important aspects of your financials, making them clearer and easier to interpret. After you've made all these adjustments, it's time to apply the changes. Simply click Apply or OK to update the report with your new settings. At this point, you should see a preview of how your customized report will look, ensuring everything appears just as you envisioned. Finally, to ensure you don't have to repeat these adjustments each time you need this particular setup, save your customized report. Click on Save Config, and now you've created a custom template. This step is crucial as it preserves your efforts and ensures consistency in your reporting for future use. Just like that, you've successfully customized and saved your report. Mastering this process can significantly enhance how you analyze and present financial data, making your work more efficient and impactful. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more processes in our next video.